Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings, then go to the System section, Backup. Here you have to enable this feature, Backup to Google Drive. Then what you have to do is to add your Google account. Of course, you will need internet connection to add Google account. So firstly, you have to enter your email or phone number here. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Next, you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And for the last thing, what you will have to do is to tap Accept here. And then OK here. And after that, your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.